Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you something that I think is very, very, very valuable to teachers, and it doesn't cost anything. You just build it yourself. Probably even supply a link to it in the description or something. But anyways, here's what I have. What you're supposed to think of here is a list of student names. These are all fictitious names, or they're not real students, not of mine. But these are teachers' names. So that's how this thing's structured. But the way it works is if, this kid named Laser Beam is going to go to the restroom, and if my name's Washington, then I click right here, and then I click right here, and voila, it has already submitted that information. And there's a response page, which is a different Excel document, not Excel, Google Sheets. And you can see Laserbeam has checked out, and it has the timestamp all automatically put in there. And let's see. Yeah, since I'm an 8th grade teacher, let's say, it will actually show who has been checked out today. And yeah, this one is the output window, and the information is just automatically updated here. But all these tabs are for like if you wanted to extract from here. Let's see, how do I explain this? I've got 8th grade teachers. So what I did for this is write some code that says query all from, query from all. That's this page, this tab. See how it says all exclamation, A through E. So A through E. I don't really need E. I could stop at D, but you can leave it there. And it says select A, B, D, and E, where the year is now, and the month is now, and the day is now. So basically, it's picking everything that's today. And also, it's looking for this B1. If you notice, when I click B1 right here, it highlights Washington. If I highlight right here, it highlights other ones, Adam and Jefferson and so on. So basically it's my way of getting it to output a window from this long, because this list right here is going to get really long. It's going to be thousands by the end of the year. And I just want to see each day who's been checked out, because the way this works is if, a kid has gone to the restroom in my class period and then tries to go next class period, it could be a sign of restroom abuse. They're just getting out of class each class period, which is a waste of time. So, as teachers, we're not trying to stop anybody from legitimately needing to go to the restroom. We're just trying to stop them from using it as an excuse to get out of class. So anyways, this has all the information. It says who the teacher is. It'll be 8th, 7th, and 6th grade teachers all in the list with all the students. But these specific tabs extract out just the 8th grade students and 8th grade teachers through this code. And yeah, this was a lot of research figuring out how to write the line of code. I wouldn't say Google Sheets, which is very similar to Excel's language. I wouldn't call it the most user-friendly code. But anyway, so let's go back to this, I suppose. There's more to this page, actually, that I should probably show you. Hopefully the selling point is already, convinced you that this is valuable. I also locked this tab right here. You can see that it's locked because I don't want other teachers who don't understand that this is dynamically generated information. I don't want them going in here. If I didn't lock it, they could delete a cell like this cell, and all this would disappear, and then it would stop working. So I have 7th grade, and you can see that it's basically checking that long list in the all tab for anyone who has this name, and then listing the student and the time for each of those. So all I have to do, if there's a change of like the lineup of 7th grade teachers changes, all I have to do is change this, the last name of the teacher, and then it'll stop finding the wrong ones, or, it'll update that. So I also have one for electives, and then I made a place to search. You can actually paste in, like if I want to find out how often laser beam has showed up in this really long list over here, I could either copy it from here or copy it from there, doesn't matter, but I can put it in here and just paste, and sure enough, it shows up. Right now this list is just 2 items, but if this was thousands, it would be nice to know how often, and you can see what dates they showed up. It would just show their list. In addition to that, I've got a max, and let's see if I paste, oh, there it is. If I paste the name in here, it shows how many times. And then if I want to sort, let's say I have, all these numbers, because I'm going to want to probably paste the entire list. I guess where would I get that? Probably from here. I don't know. Grab this entire column. I forget where I generated my list. But you put the student's name in here and it'll tell you how often they showed up. And then if you want to right click and say Z to A, it'll put the highest bathroom users at the top. And these numbers will change. They'll update daily. And then every now and then, if you just go here and say sort Z to A, it'll put them in correct order. All right. So if you're interested in how this works, then stay tuned, because I'll show you how I built this. And like I said, some of you will have the stomach to build it yourself, but some of you will be like, I'm too busy, just give me the template and I'll adjust it. So I'm going to be making a series on how I built this and share it with you. And hopefully it helps somebody out. See you in the next video.